Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to find the circumference and the area of a circle. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is find what's called the radius and the diameter. So right now, let's just say this diameter of the circle, the diameter is from one side to the other, like that, and the radius is halfway, so about like right there-ish. And so we're going to say that, the diameter is 8 centimeters. So the distance across the circle is 8 centimeters, okay? So let's see, 8 centimeters. So that's 8. And then now we have to find out the radius, which you just cut 8 in half. So 8 divided by 2, 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So 4 centimeters. Okay, so what we're going to do now is find the circumference. And so how do you do that is you want to take the diameter, which is once again 8. Just 8. Okay, that's the diameter. And so we're going to times that by pi, which is 3.14. It's not like eating pie, it's a number. So how to find the circumference is you want to do, so the diameter is 8, and you want to times that by 3.14, which is pi. Once again, not the eating pie, a number. So you want to go 3.14 times 8. So 8 times 4, 8 times 4, that times that, yeah, equals 32. So 2, and then you carry the 3 up here, then 8 times 1 plus 3, that's 8, plus 3 is 11. So 1, carry the 1, and 8 times 3 equals 24, plus 1 is 25. So then we have 2,512. But we can't do that because there's a decimal place right here, right? Yeah, it's kind of messy, but whatever. Decimal place right there. And so then what you want to do is you want to count how many decimal places are, how many numbers are behind the decimal place. So 1 and 2. So then we have to go 1 and 2. And there we go. That's where the decimal is. So the circumference is 25.12. There you go. That's the circumference. Now we want to find the area. So if I remember correctly, the diameter is 8 and the radius was 4. So you want to times the radius by itself. So 4 times 4, that equals 16. And then in order to find the area of that circle, you should times 16, or like whatever your radius is. So I guess it would be 16 times pi, which is 3.14. So so you want to do 3.14 times 16. Now it'll be different for different numbers, but you still want to do the same process. So you want to go 6 times 4, that's 24. Do 4, carry the 2 up there, and then you do 6 times 1 plus the 2. That equals 8. Okay, and then you want to do 6 times 3, which is 18. By the way, when you did 6 times 1 plus 2, you didn't have to carry anything because it's a single-digit number. Okay, so now let's put the x there, or the 0, or whatever you want to put there that isn't a number higher than 0, or just a letter or something like that, whatever. And so then you want to do the same thing, which is, except use this. So do 1 times 4 equals 4, 1 times 1 equals 1, and 1 times 3 equals 3. Surprise, surprise. Okay, so 4, now you just want to add them up. So this is 4 times plus nothing equals 4. 8 plus 4 equals 12, so 2, and then you carry the 1 over here because it's a double 2-digit number. And so that 8 plus 1 is 9, plus this extra 1 here is 10, so you want to 0, and then carry the 1 up to the next slot, because once again it's a 2-digit number, and you don't want to put 2 digits down here, unless it's the last number, but that doesn't matter anyways right now. Okay, so you want to do 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 1 is 5. And since there are 2 places behind the decimal, then you want to do 1, 2, and there's your decimal place on this. So it'll be 50.24. Oops, that was weird. 0.24. The circumference in the area of that circle, the circumference was 25.12 centimeters, and the area was 50.24 centimeters squared. You have to put that centimeters squared there, or else on every single test that your teacher will give you, or anything like that, it will be considered wrong. So you need to put the centimeters squared on the area, and you just need to put centimeters on the circumference. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.